Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best dog hair bows that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Yagopet dog hair bow. This dog bow set makes the perfect purchase for dog lovers and dog groomers. You get 50 pieces in the pack which have been handmade in a variety of colors and patterns. What we liked about these dog bows was that the set offered amazing value for money. For under $13 you'll get enough bows to keep you going for a very long time. The detail is so cute on these designs too. We like that there is a nice range of styles including different colored polka dot, floral, gingham and leopard print. If you are looking for an extra special dog bow tie, then some of the styles even feature a little pearl or ribbon rose. These are adorable. Measuring between 3.5 cm and 4 cm, they're not too big for most dogs to wear. As an extra bonus, you also get a free pet tag with every purchase too. For variety and value for money, this product really stood out. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Hixixi dog hair bows. Another good value pack of dog hair bows. In this package you also will receive 50 dog bows which vary in style and color. The dog bows in this set really differ in style, and in the set you will find classic polka dot, flowery styles, tartan and rhinestone pieces, as well as many more. Most styles have a matching pair, so you can use the bows to create symmetrical styles for your favorite pooch. They are easy to use and just affix to your dog's hair with a rubber band. Unfortunately, the band isn't covered, so you will have to take care when adding this to your dog, not to pull and snag their fur. The width of the dog bows are approximately 2.5 cm to 3.5 cm and the length is approximately 4 cm to 4.5 cm. You can use these bows for a number of different dog breeds and also some long-haired cats too, if they will let you. At number 3, we have the Thoughtful brand 50 dog hair bows. There are lots of dog bows on the market that use cheap materials that can break easily or cause discomfort for your dog. Luckily, the Thoughtful brand have created a set of 50 dog hair bows in assorted pairs using strong materials that really offer good value for money and quality too. The design of these bows is slightly different, with a hairband that is looped through the ribbon and sewn in for long-lasting wear. You won't get problems with colors wearing off with this brand either, so you can reuse them again and again. These bows come in a variety of vibrant colors and styles to choose from and are perfect for dog top knots or decorative ear bows too. With this dog bow set you will also receive a free dog comb too, which will help you gently comb through mats and tangles for a smoother, silky coat. Another great feature to these bows is that a percentage of the proceeds go to help dogs in need too. We feel confident that you will like these particular dog bows as they have received great reviews from discerning dog owners and groomers alike. At number 2, we have the Chenkou Craft Random New Dog Hair Bow. What we liked about the Chenkou Craft dog hair accessories was that the designs were very different from others we found online. At just under $8, these dog hair bows offer amazing value for money, and for the price you get a large variety of patterns, colors and materials to choose from. They say that you get what you pay for, however, and with these dog bows we feel that this is true. Although you do get a large variety of bows to choose from, we didn't like that the designs were held together with an elastic band. Unfortunately, these types of bands can snag your dog's hair, get stuck in mats and also snap very easily, and so although they're very cheap, we feel that the fastening could be improved. And finally, at number 1, we have the Rimobul Yorkie pet hair bows. Although marketed for Yorkshire Terriers, these handmade hair bows are actually suitable for a number of different dog breeds, providing they have enough hair to comfortably fit into a rubber band. Some groomers and animals lovers even like to use these with cats and rabbits too. In this pack you get good value for money with 50 pieces that vary in style and color. You will be able to choose from a large number of different patterns and styles, and some even boast faux pearls, small beads and rhinestones to add an extra element of prettiness to the bows. If you're looking for dog hair bows that stay in, then these won't let you down. They have a strong elastic band, but you will have to attach them gently as this type of elastic tend to snag and pull. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.